In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to JPG on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a multi-page PDF into individual image files that are easy to share, preview, or drop into slides and documents. This is especially handy when someone only needs to see a page as a picture, or when you want to post a page on a website without embedding a whole PDF. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar home view with your recent files and quick actions. If you're using the desktop app, the interface should load with a panel that lists documents you've opened recently, which makes it quick to jump back into your work. Next, select the PDF you want right from the home display. If it's listed under Recents, just click it to open. If you keep your files neatly organized, you'll spot it immediately. Otherwise, take a second to confirm the file name so you convert the correct document. Once selected, the PDF opens in the main viewer, showing you the first page and basic navigation controls. Then click on Edit PDF. This brings up Acrobat's editing workspace and reveals additional tools so you can do more than just read the file. Even if you don't plan to edit text or images, entering this workspace makes the conversion features easy to find. You'll notice panels and controls along the edges of the window, including options related to content and conversion. From the left navigation menu, select PDF to JPG. Depending on your version, you may see it labeled as PDF to JPEG. JPG and JPEG refer to the same image format, so either one is fine. Choosing this option tells Acrobat you want image files instead of another document type. Acrobat will prepare the pages for conversion and guide you through saving the results. Typically, each page in your PDF becomes its own JPG file, which is great if you only need to use certain pages later. Keep in mind that JPG is a compressed format designed to keep file sizes small while preserving visual detail. That makes it perfect for sharing or posting online and for inserting into presentations without bloating the file size. And that's the whole process. Open Acrobat, pick your PDF from the home screen, enter Edit PDF, and choose PDF to JPG from the left menu. With that, you've converted your PDF into convenient, widely compatible images, ready for your next task.